Every trail and forest preserve tells a story, and behind every great outdoor experience, there's a team making it happen. From keeping our preserves safe, to maintaining the trails, to helping visitors make the most of their time in nature, our employees go the extra mile. They're the ones protecting, preserving, and enhancing your connection to the outdoors. Meet our Trailblazers.
I'm Tracy Chapman. I'm the Executive Director for the Forest Preserve District of Will County, and I've been at the district just over 20 years. So when I first started, I would not consider myself a conservationist or even that much of an outdoors person. I liked being outside. I grew up in the DuPage River, but I would not have considered myself a conservationist. So the more time that I spend here and with the people that are passionate about conservation and education and recreation, the more passionate I become about it as well. I connect with nature with my family. We like to go boating. We like to spend time in Michigan. One of the things we like to do is we like to travel to other national parks. So we've been to Mount Rushmore, we've been to Yellowstone. We like to go as a family. We camp. We like to drive around Lake Michigan and tent camp or drive an RV and just spend time outside. When I first started here at the Forest Preserve, I started as a patrol officer in the police department, and I did not foresee myself staying at the district for my entire career. But the longer I stayed here and the different positions that I held, I just loved the culture and I loved what we're doing for the residents of Will County, and I wanted to stay. So my favorite position so far at the Forest Preserve has been a canine handler, and it was the best thing to partner with Rosie the Bloodhound. I had a lot of opportunities. I got to see a lot of different things in the police world, and one of my favorite things that we did was, as a bloodhound, Rosie was a live scent man trailing dog, so she did not do article searches like other dogs do, but we were called to a bank robbery in Bolingbrook, and they were looking for articles from the bank robbery. They had already found a suspect, but they needed to find all the evidence of the crime. And so Rosie was able to, we took a scent article from the suspect they had. Rosie was able to start from the bank, and as we trailed through a trail system behind the bank, we were able to locate all of the evidence for the crime. The gun, the sweatshirt, the mask, the gloves, all of those items were behind the bank a couple blocks away. So that was one of our biggest finds because that wasn't Rosie's job. As I transitioned from different positions here at the district, from patrol officer to canine handler to police lieutenant to chief of police to deputy director to executive director, I think one of the things that I value most here at the district is the teamwork that we have. We work really well together. Here at the district, we have over 23,000 acres of property, and that property is managed and maintained and conserved and restored by all of our employees here at the district. Our employees put their blood, sweat, and tears into that property, and they practice what they preach, and they love what they do. And one of the best things about working here at the district are the people. They are passionate, they love their job, and it's more than a job for them. I take a lot of pride in our recreational opportunities here at the district because, like we've learned in the past, being outdoors in open space, clean air, clean water is very helpful for your mental and physical health. And so as we provide those opportunities for the public, it's just beneficial for them as well as us. We love the opportunities that we provide for the public, and it really pays off when you get a message from somebody in the public that is grateful for something that we've provided, for a trail that we've added to, for a dog park that we've created, for a property that we've acquired, and it really has made a difference in their life.